What's going on YouTube? This is your Corey T and I'm back with another video. Today is the day, man. Today is giveaway time. So y'all know what time it is. We got to do it right. We got to do it right. But before I start, I got to put myself on real quick. Lovers and Friends Part 2. Lovers and Friends Part 2 is out on all platforms. If you heard the first one, I appreciate the support and the love. Go vibe to the second one, man. We got some good songs on here. Me and Jay Extra went crazy. And, man, y'all just go check it out. And I might do a little something on the side to see if y'all really tapping into the music. So I might have a little side something, giveaway something, I don't know, for the music side of things to see if y'all really paying attention. But I'll have that in the further video. Anyways, let's get right into it. Where should we start? I ain't gonna make y'all wait. Let's do it. So basically I had a side bet going on with the Discord community. I had them, let me go to it real quick. I had them basically, my last video had the instructions on how to win. So basically I had to put, the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and I gave it 10 slots. So right now you see the wheel going. Whoever wins this wheel, they will get 25 towards any stock that they want. So that is where that giveaway stands, and that is completely separate from the giveaway that's right after this. So I'm a gambler, so let's try this, you guys. See what I did there? See, I be trying to look out for the Discord. I swear, I be trying to look out. So I'm gonna shuffle it 3 times, and whatever it land on, that's who wins. So we got the names right here, and let's get it. 1, 2, 3, spin away. Let's see who it is. Number 2. So number 2 is Edits by Hodge. Congratulations. Let me know what number. Excuse me. Number. Let me know what stock you would like that to go towards. And once again, congratulations. And I appreciate the support, the love, and hey, man, it is what it is. That's why you got to be a part of it. That's why you got to come join the team. But with further ado, let's get to the next portion of things. And now for everyone else and the aunties and uncles, brothers and sisters, mama and daddies, we are here. So let's say this. First person, what I said, 25, and then the one after is 50s. Yep. So first person, here we go. Let's go ahead and hit shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's see who get that 25. Let's see. And it's double if you're in the group. Let's see. It is Dog 12. Dog 12, congratulations. Make sure you comment on your comment with your email, and we will be in contact. Once again, congratulations. Next one, let's see. Next one is the heavy hitter. It's the heavy hitter. So once again, good luck. Good luck, people. Where we at with it? This the heavy hitter. So, hey, man, the sky's the limit. And if you win, that's double. Come on now. It don't get no better than that. Y'all got to come rock out with your boy. We're going to do 3 shuffles. 1, 2, 3. And let it ride. Let's see who it is. And if you're in a group, it doubles. And it would be Rat 4. Come on, Rat. Oh, Honey Badger. Ooh. It is Honey Badger with the steal. That was close to Rat 4 or whatever it was. Oh, y'all both had 4. That's crazy. But congratulations, Honey Badger and Dog. So, y'all, once again, you two, hit the comment, leave your email, and we will be in contact with each other. So, yeah, that is the giveaway. And let me go ahead and get into some housekeeping. Y'all know I got to hit this real quick. Keep it short and simple. I had a question from someone, and they asked me, what is better to look for? I recently just tried it out with the $1 investment. Is it better to purchase stocks that went down 0.33% or up, basically 0.9%? So basically what he's saying is, he asking, is it better to invest in, let's say, this 5.58 or this 0.20 or this 11? It depends on the stock. The best way I can say this is, depending on what the stock is and what it's been doing is how you determine if you should invest. And not by any means, way, shape, or form, I'm a financial advisor, but this is just something that I picked up and I learned. So that's why I'm at with this. Let's go to this one real quick. 1.92 up, right? Within the year, it went up 58%. Within the month, 23. Within the week, 4. Within the day, 1. So it's been climbing up. This is one of those ones. Okay, do I invest in it? It's technically going up and is at a low percentage. It has room to grow. In this case, I'd be like, yeah, sure. This would be a good one to go into. If you went to, let's say, Ken Ross Gold, right now I'm up in Ken Ross Gold, right? $6.75. Since I'm up, I would say, okay, it kind of went up. Let's see what it's been doing. It went down within a week. It went down within a month. It went up within the year, and it went down within all. So it's kind of like a down, up. What is this one? Down, down, and then down. So it's like, well, would I invest in that if it's keep going down? Honestly, it might just be at a low point. Or it could technically still be going down. But nonetheless, these two different stocks are two different prices, two different thresholds, two different avenues. And this is why it's kind of, you can't just say, oh, just because it's going at a certain rate, you know. So the real question is, okay, do I invest in it or do I just go to another stock? By any means, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something that I've been picking up on. This is something that I noticed. I personally wouldn't just base my investment solely on the percentage that you see it is for the current day, nor the current week or month, because at any moment this stock could go up or down. So the real question is, when do you invest? Like I said, study the chart in the sense of the high peaks, the low peaks, the highs, the lows, the drops, the ups, the down, whatever you want to call it. So look, you look at the chart. Let me go to the week, because the day is kind of whatever. The week will tell you what you kind of need to know. So around 10 o'clock it dropped, and around 11:30 it dropped. At 10 o'clock it went up. 10 o'clock you got a high point. Make note of that. It went down at 1:30. It went up at 10:30. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10:30. 10:30. What is this? 3 o'clock. So off rip, from just this week, you can kind of see where this is supposed to be going up. Not saying, and like I said, man, take this with a grain of salt. I always take it with a grain of salt. You can kind of see the potential on where you're supposed to invest. If you know it's going to have a high peak at more or less 10 o'clock, 10:30, around that time, especially during this week or previous week, and that's why you kind of watch it for a week at a time to see what it's doing. I say give it 2 weeks, and then you make a decision like, okay, around 9, 10:30, this is when it's been popping. This is when it's going up. I can probably put some money in and see what I can get back from it just to test it out. Yes. However, you can't just solely base it on that, but it's a good technique from that aspect. Like, let's go to another stock here within the week. You got 10 o'clock, it went up, 10 a.m., and then it dropped at 2. You got another one at 9:30. Here at 10 o'clock, it went down. So you got a fight right here. 1:30 went down. See how there's no real comparison here. It's like, okay, this is just doing all kind of stuff. So look, check this out now. 10 and 10. I guess you do have a comparison, but look how long it took from Wednesday to Monday. And then Tuesday it just kind of stayed. The stock is slightly moving up and down, but if you watching it, you might be able to go back. You know, let's go back in a month. Let's see. 12 p.m. You look at those times too. You got it at 9. Where you got another high peak at? 11. I purchased it here at 10. So I caught it on the opposite side when I when I invested, but I'm still up, so I ain't tripping about it. And then here at 10. So you kind of get an idea, just roughly. So this is what you do. You write down the high points and low points of the different weeks and different months and whatever, and kind of just pick up on the trend. If you like, okay, well, this stock been doing this. If you notice certain stocks are doing the same thing, 9 times out of 10 they are in a similar category. But nonetheless, one thing I can say is if you came to the app and you had stuff that you was following, if it's at 12.45, it's already at a high point. It could potentially keep going up, but the likelihood it's already up. You know what I'm saying? So the moment you put your money in and then it drop back down, you'll be like, man, I keep losing money. But then if you go all the way down to the bottom and say, okay, well, I'm going to invest in one that's the opposite, 8% down. So it started at 673, went down all the way to 616, 614. So it's like, should I invest in it? Let's see what the wheat been doing. The wheat been doing good. Let's go to all. So you go to that, and now you're looking at it like, okay, well, it went all the way up to, in 2000 it was $400 and something, but now it's down to $2 something. You don't know if that could go back to $400. Well, at a $2 price, man, that's a cakewalk. But it's not a get rich quick scheme. You gotta put in, you gotta wait, you gotta have patience, you gotta thug it out. So moral of the story is, if you're gonna invest, be in it for the long run. Don't just try to put your money in thinking you finna get a quick dollar or two. That's all it is. And in regards to the stocks that I have, like I said, I'm keep saying it, will be restarting my portfolio soon. I just want to make sure I pick a right time and date, and yeah, we're gonna get right. I really want Idea Anonymous to slide back through, and Sono Group to keep doing what it's doing. But and if you want to get in UPower is down right now. However, UPower, I think the stock price is like $6 and some change. If you get in before it hits $7.55 and it continues to go up, you'll be in the green. So that's just a little insight from me. So be on the lookout for UPower if it goes past 7.55, and that's $7.55. If it go past that, then you'll be in the green if you invest now or by the time you see this video. Mark my words, because when it go over 7.55, I'm coming to make a video, and I'm like, see, I told y'all to go invest. Y'all could have had a profit. You could have put your dollar in. You could have put your $5, $10 in, or whatever you're going to put in, and it's going to be up there. So if it does go up there, I'm going to just say that because it's unpredictable. And once again, man, this is your boy Corey T. Appreciate y'all for sliding through, and congratulations. Hold it down, y'all.